What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Winlator on your Android device with a Mali GPU, so you can run PC games like a pro. We'll also cover some important tweaks to make sure everything runs smoothly. Let's dive in. By the way, I've placed a QR code at the end of this video that you can scan for the Winlator Apk and the game I'm using. You'll also find the timestamp for the QR code in the description below, so you can jump right to it. First, open the Winlator app on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Play Store. Now, go to the folder where you downloaded the Winlator or the game files, find the Winlator Apk, and let's install it. Tap on the APK file to start the installation. If you see a message saying Unsafe App Blocked, don't worry, just tap on More. Details then install anyway to proceed. After Winlator is installed, it's time to extract the game files. Find the zip file for the game setup. Tap on the zip file in Archiver and choose Extract here. This will unzip all the necessary files. Once the game is extracted, open Winlator. On the first launch, it will automatically install some system files needed to run the container. Give it a moment. Now, let's create a new container for your game. Tap on the Add button and choose a name for your container. You can leave it as the default name, or give it something specific. Next, in the container settings, you'll see a default screen resolution of 1280x8. If you're on a low-end device, I recommend lowering it to 640x480 for better performance. But if you want a full widescreen experience, you can set it to your device native resolution, like 161 to x720, which works well for most modern phones. Scroll down to open advanced options in the container settings. Here set the box 64 preset compatibility to performance for better speed and stability. Next, scroll a bit more and set the startup selection to aggressive. This optimizes performance, and make sure to enable input for games so you can use game controllers with Winlator. Once you've adjusted all these settings, tap the checkmark to save your container, and your container is ready to launch. Tap on the container and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Run Container to open it. Once inside the container, you'll see a small wine icon and Start in the corner of your screen. Click on it, and you should see an option Install. Go ahead and now click on Install all recommended files. This will automatically install. Now, let's head back to your computer. In Winlator, choose D as your Downloads folder where you extracted your game files, and double-click on it. Double-click the folder that contains your game files inside. You'll find the Games folder. From here, look for the games. Executable file like Hulk, EXA. To start the game, double-click on it if you encounter a missing disk error. Don't worry, it's an easy fix. In the folder, look for Setup EXE. This file helps fix setup issues that might be causing the error. Double-click on Setup and click on Install. This will correct the game disk-related issue and allow your game to run properly. Once the installation completes, Go back to the game folder and double-click on Hulk again. The game should now start without any issues. For a game full screen first, tap the back button on your mobile device. This will take you back to the Winlator settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, look for the magnifier icon. Tap on it to zoom in or adjust the screen size to fit your game properly. You can hide the settings menu. Just tap the hide. Next, let's make sure you have the right input controls set up to play the game comfortably. Tap on Input Controls in the settings menu. Tap on Disabled and select Virtual Gamepad from the options. If this tutorial was helpful and worked for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might find it useful. Your support helps us create more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Let me go! Did you see that? Leave the monster!